Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about a news article that got me in a bit of hot water on Instagram. So I wanted to bring it to my YouTube channel because that's what I do. And I'm gonna talk about the article that people were attacking me for, which nobody can attack me because you come for me, I send for you. Okay, that's how I do. The Chinese community in Jamaica says documentation of its ancestry is becoming increasingly difficult due to in part to the continued vandalizing and theft of headstone in the Chinese cemetery on Walmouth Park Road in New Kingston. Speaking to the Gleaner during today's Gason annual memorial for the dead at the cemetery, former president of the Chinese Benevolent Society Vincent Chang and at least 50% said at least 50% of the headstones have been defaced or stolen by thieves who target them for their marble. The stolen assets are then used to make other headstones which are sold. He said that the cemetery, which was established in 1907 earthquake, is historically significant to the Chinese population in Jamaica because it contains information about 4 parents who migrated to the island. The cemetery is the resting place for approximately 3,600 people of Chinese descent in Jamaica. So, my first question is, and you can comment and answer these questions in the comment section, why do Chinese people have a whole separate cemetery? When few Jamaican raised, born and bred people that died for all our rights and our motto that says out of many one people have people literally burying on top of them every day, but them have one whole cemetery by themselves with marble headstone. My Jamaican people, I love y'all to death. Like literally love y'all to death, but y'all make me sick sometimes because there were Jamaican people literally on this post talking about how Jamaican people are this and how the dead can't rest, and how criminals have taken over our society, and this, that, hosted and cow fat, and the hypocrisy in that is, why is Jamaica outsourcing all our jobs to China when there are people in Jamaica without jobs that are more than qualified to be working in the positions that they're outsourcing to China? The Chinese, okay? The Chinese are the people that is going to make the Jamaica House of Parliament. Don't you guys see anything wrong with that? We have engineers, we have construction workers, we have people who can mix cement, we have architects, we have all of them people that are Jamaica, and you're telling me that you can't find nobody that's qualified to make Jamaica's House of Parliament, but you're outsourcing that job to China? Get the fuck up out of here. Then if you dig up all the fucking body them from out of the cemetery, if that's the case, because they're taking away their jobs. And these Chinese people are the same people that are in Jamaica feeding you guys dog and donkey, and also taking your money and sending it to China. Okay, they make sure that their economy is good, well set. They're not in a known debt. But Jamaica is outsourcing jobs to China, and Jamaica is in debt to China. You guys don't see anything wrong with that. Instead of attacking the thieves, how about you guys give them jobs, and then they will stop thieving because they're trying to survive. They're stealing because they need money. they need to provide for not only themselves but probably for their family. So when August start addressing the issues from the source, okay? Where was the Chinese when Jamaican people was enslaved? Where was the Chinese version of Nanny? Where was the Chinese version of Marcus Messiah Garvey? And I'm well aware of our motto, and it says, out of many, one people. I know what it means, I know when it was made, and I know who made it. Okay, do y'all research. Okay, when was that motto made? After other people came into our country and started having kids and babies of different descent and different cultures and different origin. That's how our motto was made, out of many one people, because other people like the Chinese came to our country and started reproducing and having half Chinese and half Jamaican kids. Okay? And a plethora of other races and countries came to Jamaica. So don't try to school me on our motto, because we know exactly what you mean. Okay, Chinese people are using and abusing our country, and y'all sit there and take up for them while all they do to our country and our economy is drain it. Them drain it and make sure them send back all of the money back to China, back to their origin, their culture. They support their people, but our people are on the internet bashing our own. Really? Which part them do that? Which part on Chinese they do that? Okay? And y'all bunch of hypocrites on the internet. A bunch of freaking hypocrites. I personally don't have anything against any Chinese people. But when they're starting to use and abuse my people and my country, that's when I have an issue. And I personally don't have any issues with Chinese people. I give them props, okay? I give them props because Jamaican people can learn so much from them, okay? Once they go somewhere, they take care of their families. They make sure their children go to school. They make sure their children go to college. They make sure that their economy is set. They make sure that they live in the best neighborhoods. Okay? If anything, these are the things that Jamaican people need to start learning from Chinese people that are taking over our country day by day. You can't walk a Jamaica and you see no one Chinese restaurant. You can't walk a Jamaica and you see one Chinese grocery store. You can't walk a Jamaica and you see one Chinese clothing store. Okay? So they're well equipped in their entrepreneurship and making money. And instead of them making our money and taking away our money and sending it to their country, how about our Jamaican people do the same? Okay? Do the same. Support your own. Start forcing our government to give our children jobs. Start forcing our government to start paying our teachers, paying our doctors, our lawyers, our physicians, and stop letting other country get all the good people that come from Jamaica because they don't want to pay them and they don't acknowledge the work that they do. How about that? How about y'all do that and stay off the internet? Y'all sit and take anything that they dish to you and pick up for people who don't even like you, because the Chinese people have said it before. They don't mix and mingle with people outside of their race, outside of their culture. So them not like uno. So get that in our head, okay? Them not like uno. The only thing them want from uno are uno money, okay? That's all. You ever seen non Chinese people with non-black somebody yet? You ever at Jamaica? Why? Because they look down upon anybody that steps outside of their race. Because that's not their culture. That's not their heritage. They're supposed to marry Chinese people supposed to marry another Chinese person. Okay? That's how they do. Okay? So, let me don't kill up myself about this topic, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna disagree and I know a lot of you guys are gonna agree, but quite frankly, I don't give a. Okay? Or my people sit around and them just take whatever them get. I'm tired of it. Tired of it. So, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this whole topic about how Jamaicans are stealing the marble from the Chinese cemetery. Okay? Tell me what are your thoughts and opinions on that story, and tell me what you think about what I said in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. This one here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce. Oh, and tell me if you like my new setup. Isn't it homey? Isn't it nice? Yeah. Peace.